Good morning, guys. It's 10:37. Trading session is over. I did not take a trade today, but I was not supposed to film a video today because of work. Check my schedule and it says not scheduled. Let's just get right into the market. All right, so basically trading NASDAQ like always, right? So we marked out all the liquidity right here. So this 1 hour liquidity, 1 hour and 1 hour, and these two on top are 4 hour. Move to the 5 minute, right? We were waiting for any liquidity to be hit at market open. So the first 1 hour liquidity gets hit at market open, and we try to get a retrace right here, this 5 minute down candle and this 5 minute retrace right here, but we do pass the high there. So we moved on to this liquidity, and right now we're getting moves down. So we're waiting for a 5 minute retrace. I can still possibly take a trade before 11. Way, I'm not filming on my iPhone no more. I did pick up a camera, I did pick up a mic, so the quality and the content is just gonna get better and better. All right, so this is a trade I would have took, but I did end up missing it because I was with my family. It fit all the categories of my strategy: the 5 minute retrace, the top into a fair value gap, and the candle close out of it. That was an example of the trading strategy that I use. Obviously, I'm not trading past 10:30. At the end of the day, it is a no trade day. That's better than losing. All right, so we're on the way to the basketball court now. We're about to get some shots up. Before we head to the basketball court, we are gonna go to 7-Eleven and get an energy drink. Just made it to the court. I'm about to show y'all that I don't miss. You guys seen the pro play, you know what I'm saying? But now we on the way home. We're gonna take a shower. I'm sweaty as fuck, and then after I might go get some sushi and shit. But we're gonna see. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet. They start editing this video now, because you already know I don't want to do that shit later. I decided on getting Dominican food. Bag secured. Shit about to taste good. I got white rice, POV salad, dropping on my. But I am gonna go ahead and start back testing a little bit just to get some more confidence in my trades for this week, because this week I want it to be a flawless week. I want to get on a funded next week, and after that, the last thing on the list is just go to the gym, get my daily workout in, get my daily cardio, and that's gonna be the end of the day. Alright, so just basically I don't know why the audio didn't record, but basically I was just saying 3 hours, 4 hours went by. I did 1 hour of back testing and 1 hour of taking a nap, and then 1 hour to get ready for the gym and shit. But yeah, that's basically it. And then in this clip, just letting you guys know I got the gas and we ready to go to the gym, get a quick workout, and yeah. Anyways, guys, just made it back from the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and then head to bed and get ready for the trading day tomorrow. I am gonna be filming tomorrow again. Basically, we're gonna have another video on Wednesday, posted at 9 a.m. Anyways, just like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.